Madagascar is home to some of the world's most unique and fascinating species, many of which can't be found anywhere else. The island's isolation has led to incredible evolutionary adaptations, producing animals that are as bizarre as they are remarkable. From lemurs to reptiles, here are 10 of the most extraordinary species from Madagascar. The Indri is the largest living lemur and one of Madagascar's most iconic species. This black and white primate is known for its haunting calls that echo through the rainforest. Unlike most lemurs, the Indri lacks a long tail, relying instead on powerful legs for leaping between trees. It lives in tight-knit family groups and has a strong social structure. However, habitat destruction has put this species at risk, and deforestation threatens its already dwindling population. Another remarkable lemur is the aye, which might be Madagascar's strangest animal. With its large, staring eyes, bat-like ears, and long, skeletal middle finger, the aye looks like something out of a horror movie. It uses that eerie finger to tap on tree bark, listening for insect larvae inside. Once it detects movement, it gnaws through the wood and extracts its prey. This highly specialized hunting method makes the aye a crucial part of Madagascar's ecosystem. Yet its unusual appearance has led to superstitions that associate it with bad luck. As a result, some locals kill ayes on sight, further endangering the species. The Fossa is Madagascar's top predator, resembling a mix between a mongoose and a small puma. Agile and muscular, it has semi-retractable claws and a long tail that helps it navigate the trees while hunting. Lemurs make up a significant part of its diet, but it will also eat rodents, birds and reptiles. The fossa is one of the few predators capable of taking down adult lemurs, which makes it a key player in the island's food web. Unfortunately, habitat loss is driving it closer to extinction, and its reputation as a livestock killer has made it a target for hunting. Among Madagascar's many unique reptiles, the leaf-tailed gecko is a master of camouflage. With skin that mimics tree bark or dead leaves, this gecko blends seamlessly into its surroundings, making it nearly impossible to spot. Some species even have jagged edges along their bodies to enhance the illusion. When threatened, they flatten themselves against tree trunks, completely disappearing from view. This incredible adaptation helps them evade predators, but deforestation is reducing their natural habitat, putting them at risk. The Panther Chameleon is another reptilian marvel. Famous for its vivid colors, this species can shift hues depending on mood, temperature, or communication needs. Males are particularly striking, displaying electric blues, reds, greens, and yellows. Unlike popular belief, chameleons don't change color to match their surroundings, but rather to interact with other chameleons or regulate body temperature. Found mainly in Madagascar's humid forests, the panther chameleon is a favorite among reptile enthusiasts worldwide, though habitat loss and the pet trade pose significant threats to wild populations. Madagascar's waters are just as rich in biodiversity as its forests, and the Coelacanth is one of its most astonishing inhabitants. This deep-sea fish was thought to have gone extinct 66 million years ago until it was rediscovered in the 20th century. It belongs to a lineage dating back 400 million years and has unique limb-like fins that suggest a connection to early land-dwelling vertebrates. The Coelacanth's rarity makes it a prized find for marine biologists, but its slow reproductive rate and the dangers of deep-sea fishing put it at risk of extinction once again. The Madagascar Pochard is a bird that was believed to be extinct until researchers rediscovered a small population in 2006. This diving duck is one of the rarest birds on Earth, with only a few individuals surviving in the wild. Conservationists have since worked to reintroduce the species to safer habitats, but challenges such as habitat destruction and invasive species continue to threaten its future. Another extraordinary bird from Madagascar is the Blue Coua. This stunning bird has deep blue feathers and a striking turquoise patch around its eyes. Unlike many birds that rely on insects, the Blue Coua primarily eats fruit, playing an important role in seed dispersal. It belongs to the cuckoo family, but unlike some of its relatives, builds its own nests and raises its own young. Its beauty and ecological importance make it a vital part of Madagascar's forests. Among Madagascar's many amphibians, the Golden Mantella is a standout. This tiny, bright orange frog is reminiscent of the poison dart frogs of South America, though it's not as toxic. Its vibrant coloration warns predators of its foul-tasting skin. The Golden Mantella thrives in moist forests and relies on seasonal rainfall for breeding. However, habitat destruction and the pet trade have caused its population to plummet, making conservation efforts critical for its survival. Lastly, the Madagascar hissing cockroach is one of the island's most famous insects. Unlike common cockroaches, this species doesn't have wings and communicates using loud hissing sounds. It produces these noises by forcing air through small openings in its body, a behavior used for mating and defense. Despite its fearsome reputation, the Madagascar hissing cockroach plays a vital role in the ecosystem by breaking down organic matter and recycling nutrients back into the soil. Madagascar's wildlife is as fragile as it is unique. Many of these species face severe threats due to deforestation, climate change, and human activities. Conservation efforts are crucial to preserving this biodiversity, ensuring that the island's extraordinary creatures continue to thrive for future generations.